Hi guys, and welcome back on GSM ABC YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to apply a screen protector on Samsung Galaxy S8. So let's do it. So here I have an original screen protector from Samsung. I just received this screen protector and let's unbox it. And now let's see what we have inside. This is the dust removal sticker. This is to clean the screen, and this is for bubble removing. And here I have two screen protectors. Okay, now let's put away the box. Now let's power off the phone, and now you must clear the screen very well. And now you must remove this part. Let's do it. And now attach to the glass. And now take this bubble remover and now remove this cover and keep continuing to removing the bubbles. Okay, and after 50 minutes, here is my phone, and I think that looks okay. Let's clean the screen. And here is my screen protector. I hope you see it. And I think it's okay. So this was my tutorial for today, testing the original screen protection from Samsung. I hope to be useful for you, and have a nice day.